Did you know that the layout of a unit can greatly affect the demand and profits when it comes to selling your property? With careful selection or layout, you can increase your chances of making bigger profits in the resale market. Hi, I'm Hui and welcome to my channel. I'll be using two projects which are located just side by side to show you how it is possible for an owner to make so much more profit than the other within the same time frame. Let's compare Principal Gardens and the Crest in District 3. Imagine that you are a buyer choosing between these two developments and decided to go with the Crest for its unique architectural features. How would your profits be like? For a 3-bedroom unit in the Crest, it was sold with a profit of $247,000. Just 4 minutes down the street, a 3-bedroom unit of a similar size in Principal Gardens was sold for a huge profit of $730,000. Given that both units were purchased at a similar entry price and sold in 2022, the unit in Principal Gardens made almost 3 times the profit of a similar size unit in the Crest. So to what extent can layout affect your profits? When it comes to selecting the right layout, it is important to understand the profile of the potential resale buyers looking to buy your unit. With reference to my example earlier, buyers of 3-bedroom units typically buy for their own stay. Therefore, prospective buyers who have seen the Crest layout might feel that it may not be very ideal or practical in the long run for the following reasons. Firstly, the layout for Principal Gardens is regularly shaped with little wasted space compared to the layout for the Crest, which has an odd shape and numerous balcony areas. The long corridor leading up to bedroom 3 has also resulted in a lot of wasted space and less livable area within the unit compared to the shorter walkways that you see here. You'll also realize that Principal Gardens living hall is wide upon stepping out of the private lift. This private lift not only gives you full privacy, but also prestige and convenience. There is also a second entrance at the back of the unit for deliveries. Contrasting this to the Crest's lack of private lift and narrow view of the living hall, you might feel that the space is smaller in comparison upon stepping out. In terms of bedroom sizes, this unit in Principal Gardens has bedrooms big enough to fit a queen-size bed, whereas the bedrooms in the Crest can only fit a super single bed due to its odd corners. Overall, the layout for Principal Garden is so efficient that there's cross-ventilation across all living areas and bathrooms, which will allow any family to live here comfortably. Because of these reasons, resale buyers looking at a 3-bedroom unit for own stay will feel that the layout for Principal Gardens is so much more spacious and comfortable during the viewing. Hence, they will be more willing to pay a premium for the better layout, thereby allowing the owner of this unit in Principal Gardens to make a greater profit. Let's take a look at another example, Park Rivera and Whistler Grand, which are projects that are just opposite each other. Despite being purchased at almost the same price, Whistler Grand sold at a much higher price per square foot, and its profit is almost twice that of Park Rivera. Both layouts look good at first glance, but there are a couple of reasons for the greater profit seen in the Whistler Grand. Firstly, a wet and dry kitchen that comes with a yard space was provided, compared to Park Rivera, which only has a small wet kitchen and no yard space. The wet kitchen for Whistler Grand also comes with glass panels, which helps to make the corridor feel wider compared to the walkway for Park Rivera when you first enter the unit. For the bedrooms, there's a his and hers walk-in wardrobe concept in Whistler Grand's master bedroom, which helps to make the space feel bigger. There's even enough space for a decent-sized dressing table or a second wardrobe. More importantly, this walk-in wardrobe concept is often provided for in luxury 4-bedroom units in new launches today. So this can help the next buyer feel that he's getting more value for his money compared to Park Rivera. To sum up, it is clear that layout can greatly determine your future profits in the resale market, whether you're buying for own stay or investment. I hope my sharing has provided some insights into how you can look out for a great layout in your future home. Feel free to reach out to me if you need further analysis on the layout that you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.